It's beautiful out here. It's really good to wake up early morning and see the sunrise. Beautiful morning. If you are new to this channel, my name is Brian and this is Pinoy Photographer JB. I am nature and wildlife photographer, videographer kind of. If you are into nature, this is a right channel for you. Just to let you know, I'm not a professional. This is just my hobby. So if you think my videography is not that good, please let me know so I can improve myself. I love birds, but they're really fast. It will drive you crazy. So if you pick that kind of photography, it will, disappoint you at first. So I really love nature because it's like a therapy. You feel refreshed after the long week of work. Hard work. Some people say gears doesn't matter, but in my opinion it does, especially if you are a bird photographer. Oh man. You can take a good photo with your cheap gears. So I started with Canon 500D with a 55 to 150 mm kit lens. I took a lot of nice photos, but it's hard work. So I started with 500D, and then I upgraded to 7D, and then 70 Mark II. Then I bought EOS M5 for vlogging. I also have the original EOS M, and right now I still have the EOS M10. And then I bought Nikon D800, and then after that I sold my Nikon D800 and the Canon 70 Mark II because I want to shoot more video, especially 4K, so I sold it and I bought the EOS R. So this is my EOS R, and then I upgraded to EOS R5. I love this camera. You can do photo, video. I can't say anything bad about it except for the overheating. Yeah, I do experience overheating sometimes. So EOS R5 is I think is the best camera that I bought, but if you're not careful, yeah, it will overheat. So but it's really rare for me to have overheating, so maybe I did experience it 3 times, I guess. If I shoot high frame rates, video, photo, non-stop, yeah, it will overheat. So let's talk about this lens. This is the very old 300 millimeter f2.8 non-IS lens. It's really good. It's sharp, but there's no image stabilization. So yeah, it's really hard to shoot video. You know, the production started in 1987 and then discontinued in 1999. So it's very old lens, but it's still good. I love Canon. I've been shooting Canon for what, 11 years. So I love the EOS R, and especially the EOS R5. Man, the eye autofocus. So quick tips for new photographer. If you like videography, photography, especially wildlife, a quick tip is know your subject, know their behavior, what they eat, what time they are active. Yeah, maybe you will get 90% success. Location scouting is the best way to find wildlife also. It's like you just go there, sit down, chillax, and then just observe the area. So the good thing about location scouting is you will know the area. If you see birds, you can set up your blinds if you want blind. Yeah, that's the best way to capture the image. Patience, yeah. You have to be patient in bird photography, because I don't know how many times I lost patience, and then as soon as I leave the area, the subject arrives. It's like, oh, I just ruined the shot. Imagine you're in the woods for hours and then in just a second you just ruin your shot. Yeah. Sometimes we don't get any photograph or video. That's the nature of wildlife. Wildlife, you cannot control wildlife. It controls you. So be patient in the field. Yeah. So sa mga bagong subscriber, meron nga pala tayong palaro dito sa channel na to. Twice a month nagpapalaro tayo, every first and third week of the month. So I think ang gagawin ko ay maglalagay na lang ako ng announcement or kaya something sa caption or sa thumbnail ng video para malaman nyo kung meron ba tayong palaro. So ang gagawin nyo lang, kung gusto nyo sumali, itatype nyo lang yung how do you call it, basta itatype nyo lang to ito and then yung comment nyo, tapos yun na yun, kasali na kayo sa palabunutan. So ang mananalo ay, ang unang mananalo ay 1,000 pesos ang unang mabubunot, pangalawa ay 500, at kung meron tayong sponsor, yeah, mga 500. So magkakaroon ng 3 winner, depende kung may sponsor tayo. Pero yung 1,000 pesos, consistent yon. Hindi naman ganong kalaki yung premyo natin kasi yun lang kaya ng bulsa ko. Pero at least nakakatulong tayo, lalo na sa panahon ng pandemic. Maraming salamat guys, share niyo yung channel. God bless. So thank you for watching guys. If you like this video, just like. If you don't like, before you hit dislike, just subscribe first. This is Pinoy photographer JB, and I hope to see you in our next adventure. See ya.